Okay, in this video, we're going to create some pages in our sample project. So we simply click Create New Page, and I'm going to start with a home page. We'll click Create. That's going to generate the page. Now we're going to see some new stuff here. First of all, on the left-hand side, we've got our widgets, links and buttons and text and all that good stuff. On the right, you'll now see that you can save the project as you work on it, preview it, export it, and FTP it. And down here in the bottom left, you'll see a properties. But we'll go through that more thoroughly in future videos. For now, let's just use maybe one thing. So the first thing here is a link, and we could add a link. Now, if this was to an external page, then you would simply put the URL to the external page here and the title of the link there. Or if it's going to be an internal page, even though we haven't created it, we can still build the navigation. So we simply use our hash, and let's say I was creating a coupon. Then I could, let me make that lowercase, the actual. There we go. And I'll name it coupon. Now if I drag it on, we have a link. Now links aren't the best thing for navigation, but that gives you an idea. Now once we have something, we can change it. We can edit it. Clicking the edit button, and we could make the changes. Say this was actually coupon 2. So that might be coupon 2, and this would be coupon 2. We click save, and here's the update. If we don't like something, we can drag it off. Everything's drag and drop, and we click yes to remove it and no to keep it. So let's create something else so we can show you the drag and drop. So we'll use the button this time. I'm going to add the widget. Again, this time I'm going to use the coupon. I'm going to title it coupon. Here's where I could choose one of the themes. Now these are kind of built in because we use the, well, I won't get into that, but these are built-in ones, and then you'll have these that you create. So say I use the light brown, I drag it over, and now I've got coupon and coupon 2. If I click the preview, you'll see there's nothing because we haven't saved it. This is your working environment, and that'll be your preview environment. Before you can preview something, you must save it. And now we click preview. And there we are. As you can see, it has the light brown theming and bright green on it, which you can change all of these things from within the theming. I hate to say unlimited, but basically it's unlimited what you can do with this theming creator. So there you go. Now if I want to switch things around, let me just move it over out of the way so you can see it kind of in real time. Say, oh, I want this on top. No, I don't want to remove it, but now it's on top. If I click save and hit preview, it'll update. And now it's up on top. So everything is drag and drop. If I want to get rid of something, like I say, you just, let me close this for now. You can drag it off. And once it's off the canvas, boom, it's no longer going to be there if you want it. And if you want to edit it, you simply click edit and you make your change. So it's that simple to start creating some pages. So we've created one page, and now we might want to go create that coupon page. All we do is up here at our breadcrumb, we can go back to our sample project. It'll always have the project title here, and we create the new page, and we call it coupon, and we create it. And just like that, now we have our coupon page. Now we could choose to add a button to navigate back to our home page if we so desired. So now that we have a home page, they'll start showing up here. So I just click home from the drop down. As you can see, it creates the hash. And that'll be our home page. And our theming was light brown. So we'll drag that on. And if I save it and preview it, now our home page can be clicked to our coupon and our coupon to our home. Now to apply the theming more without going too deep into themes, there'll be separate videos on it. I could now just change this. If you look down here below, there's our light brown, and I click save. And what's going to happen in our preview is now going to show the way it is now, which the entire site is going to take on our light brown theme. Just like that. If I don't want the page thing up here on the top, no problem. I simply click Show Header. I remove Show Header, save it, preview it, and now it's nice and clean. So if we had had an image up there of our logo and stuff like that rather than labeling, which most people will do, and there we go. And as you can see, now that we have more than one button, a back button kicks in. And on this page, because it's page independent. Now, although you can have a general theme for everything, every page can be changed totally uniquely within itself. So you can change things on the macro level or on the very micro level, right down to not just the page, but the widget on the page can actually have its separate theming. So without going into it too deeply, I just want to show you that and show you how quickly and easily it is to create pages. And in the next video, we'll look at some of the other widgets as we start building pages.